Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to CISNET's CCNA-200-301 Training. CCNA should be your first course to get into the IT industry. Our classes are hands-on, interactive, live, online class. You can ask any questions live from the instructor or you can chat on the GoToMeeting window. Our classes are on weekends and weekday evening. So you can select either weekend, Saturday or Tuesday, Monday and Wednesday evenings. You will given a book and also lab will be done in the class and also you can do the lab remotely. So very important thing is guys, we want to give you hands-on training. It's a hands-on interactive class. You can always reach the instructor offline if you have any questions. You can reserve your demo seat or register for the course. You can call us at 905-281-1313 or you can go to our website CISNET.ca for more details. Hi everyone, my name is Manny. I'm the Senior Instructor at CISNET. I have two CCIEs. I have CCIE in Routing and Switching and CCIE in Service Provider. CCIE is the highest certification in the networking industry. It stands for Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert. And again, courses are done by a webinar online, but it's interactive. You'll be engaged. So you'll be sending CCNA webinar, and in the class time you can click the link, then you can join the webinar. So in the webinar you should be able to see me as well as you should be able to talk to me. So that's the important thing. You should be able to see me and you should be able to talk to me. And also if you have any question, you can type in the chat window. So there's a chat window. So in the chat window, you can ask any questions from me during the class as well as after the class as well. So now what we are going to study in this course. So that's very important to know. CCNA is one of the very important course to have. In this course, you are going to study lots of topics. The topic include router basics. It has introduction to IPv4 and subnetting, TCP IP model versus OSI model, IP routing, access control list. Then we have NAT, DHCP and WAN, LAN switching, introduction to security, IPv6, IP services and features, introduction to cloud computing, wireless LAN, SDN. And at the end of the class, we want you to pass the exam. So we will give you all the material to study and pass the exam. Our main motive is to give you number one, to get the knowledge. Okay, so number one is get the knowledge. It's a hands-on knowledge. And number two, we want you to do the labs to get the knowledge. And finally, we want you to pass the exam. So exam preparation will be there. So this online interactive live session will be taught by me. My name is again Manny, Senior Instructor at CISNET. So I want to give you a demo of the class. So class will be going to the class material. At the same time, I will be drawing on the whiteboard session so you can see and you can take notes. You'll be given enough time to take notes if you want. For example, I can talk about OSI model. So OSI model is one of the very important model in the CCNA as well as network communications. So there is something called data. So data is one of the packet data unit. Data is at layer 7, layer 6 and layer 5. Then data is encapsulated into a segment. It's called segment. It is at layer 4. So segment is encapsulated into a packet at layer 3. So packet at layer 3. Layer 3 has IP addressing and packet is encapsulated inside a frame at layer 2. So this is called frame and it is at layer 2. The frame has MAC addresses. Guys, in this journey we are going to learn a lot. So very important thing is you'll be learning very basics of networking also. So every computer has a network card, something called network interface card. So this is the one which is going to connect it to your internet. So this particular card can be a wireless or wireless card or wired card. So there are two addresses. One is called layer 2 address. Other one is called layer 3 address. So we are going to go deep into these ones. Layer 2 address is called MAC address and layer 3 address is called IP address. So not only this kind of thing, so you're going to get all the class notes as well as you can write down anything important. So we'll be going through the entire book in the class maybe chapter by chapter. We'll make sure you understand the knowledge, and you'll be doing all these labs also. So this is one of the another important aspects of the lab wise. So you have to understand all the modes. There's something called user mode. There's something called privilege mode. There's something called global configuration mode, and there's something called interface configuration mode, and there's something called line configuration mode, and also there's something called router configuration mode. And also we'll be asking you to get the lab software from Cisco website like legitimately. So once you have the lab software, you can do lots of lab. I want to give you the demo of the lab, what you'll be doing, something similar. So you're going to have a lab software, then you can drag the routers if you want. So just you can drag the router, then you can connect the routers with a cable. So we'll be talking about all the cabling types. There are 3 types of cabling. One is called console rollover cable, other one is called crossover cable, other one is called straight through cable. Guys, in this 5 minutes we cannot talk much, but I'm just giving you some heads up of what you'll be expecting in the class. So basically this is called setup dialog box. I'm going to type no. Then this is called user mode. I can type enable. I go to this mode, then I type config T. I go to this mode, then I can change the name. I can say hostname Toronto 1 router. I can change it. So, and also one of the very important command is command. You can see all the ports. Again guys, that's the summary. I'll be your instructor for this interactive online class. Again, to register, please call us at 905-281-1313. So 905-281-1313, or visit our website CISNET.ca. So good luck. See you guys soon.